Hello everyone, my name is Joel Sarache. I'm 41 years old. I am from Soledad. I currently live in Manuela Beltran with my wife and daddy. I am a welding technician and study industrial engineering. In my free time, I like to watch movies. My favorite hobby is listening to music. My favorite food is the hamburger. My favorite television show is The Walking Dead. And my favorite sport is soccer. And I have black hair. There are two people in my family. My wife is Julia Barrio. She is 33 years old. She is a housewife. She is from Soledad, and my wife is very pretty, with brown eyes and black hair. My daddy is Kendrick Sarache. She is 10 years old. She is a student. She is from Soledad. My daughter is very pretty and tender. Her eyes are brown and her hair is black. This is my family. Thank you.